There is absolutely no doubt that red light therapy is a scientific breakthrough with a ton of amazing research-backed benefits that could transform your health. In this video, we're going to talk about all these excellent benefits and how you could start using them today. Hey Wellness Warrior, I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and as a clinician, I am always looking for ways that we can naturally improve one's health or naturally prevent disease. And red light therapy is something that has definitely been on the forefront of research, and I think that this breakthrough in science and technology is just getting started, so I want you to be a part of it. Let's go ahead in this video, we'll talk about all the different benefits that this low-level, near and far red light therapy in photobiomodulation can offer your health. And I'm going to try to keep the science at a low here. We'll cite some of the different science throughout the video, but I'm going to keep it a little low level because I don't want to bore you with that. I want to get straight to the facts. Now, let's talk about skin health. Red light therapy has been shown to improve skin health and also offer anti-aging. It's going to do this through improving collagen production. And this is why so many people who have used red light therapy have noticed, and even in the research, that you'll have less wrinkles. Because as we age, what happens is we get decreased collagen production, our skin gets saggy, it gets wrinkly. So if you want to have that anti-aging benefit and that skin health benefit, red light therapy is amazing. Now let's talk about cellular energy production. This is something that's very cool. Now within the cell, there's something called the mitochondria. Red light therapy has a direct impact on cellular function and also the mitochondrial health. Now, once again, I won't get too deep into the science, but it has an impact on something called cytochrome C. And when you improve this mitochondrial function, what you're going to find is that you have more energy. And so this is another research-backed benefit that red light therapy can offer you. And once again, we're literally putting light on our skin. This is incredible and it's really fascinating, and I think that this is a breakthrough in natural health technology. We know that light heals, we know that the sun heals, we know that using a laser clinically on a swollen joint will help heal it. Well, this red light therapy can heal your entire body in so many amazing ways. Now, it also can help with pain reduction. Reducing inflammation is one of the key benefits, right? And as we know, inflammation is a very, very root cause of pretty much every chronic disease, but it's also the root cause of a lot of pain and discomfort. So if we have pain reduction, this is going to happen because of a reduced amount of inflammation in the body and also swelling. It has been shown to help reduce that as well. Now, one of the things I want you to do is trust the science and not the hype. Now, as red light therapy has become wildly popular, one of the things that's happened is so many companies have rushed to market and they've made different red light units, and of course they've made wild claims on them, and a lot of times they are not good quality, and it's very difficult to know what is good quality and what is not. I did a huge breakdown on all the different units out there, and basically what I found is that there's a lot out there that are good quality, but the price that they're asking for them is so outrageous. And then there's ones that basically are saying, oh, we're red light, but they don't have the full spectrum, they aren't third-party tested, they aren't near and far light. Like, you want to make sure that you're getting good quality red light system so that you can actually get these benefits. Now, the red light system that actually checked all the boxes for me was one called Mito Red Light. I'm a big fan of it, and I also like that when you go in to their website and you look at them, you can get so many different sizes, anything from large panels to little tiny individualized ones that are more cost effective for you. So they have something for everybody there, and you can actually save 5% by using code Dr. Nick. So I was able to get you guys a discount code because I think, as I mentioned, that this is a great scientific breakthrough that everybody can benefit from. So Mito Red Light, use code Dr. Nick, save 5%. Let's talk about injury recovery. This is something that's pretty important as well. When we're looking at red light therapy, you're going to find that it will help you recover if you've hurt a joint. And this is why you can see people who will take like red light therapy. You can get some tiny devices. You can just put it on the joint because it's using almost the same technology as a laser in order to help heal, reduce inflammation, and cause you to get better tissue repair. Now, it's also going to enhance brain function. It's going to do this through increased blood flow and oxygenation to the brain, which is incredible. Cancer treatment support. In the research, it shows that you can actually get some great benefit for cancer treatment support. So if you're going through a cancer treatment, you can actually use this and it helps you recover better. But here's the thing that I always have a problem with whenever you see this cancer treatment support. Nobody ever wants to say cancer prevention because it's going to get them in trouble. But when you actually look at the facts of what this does, it reduces inflammation. It actually is going to help improve mitochondrial function, which they believe is a root cause of many different diseases out there. It's pretty safe to say that this is going to be a solid way to help prevent disease as well. According to the research, it's going to help you recover from cancer treatment and the devastation that that will cause. But also, I think from a preventative place, this is where we should really be focusing on. You know, I'm not a fan of waiting till your body is just falling apart and diseased and riddled with problems. I'm a fan of actually taking proactive steps and making sure that we do everything we can to avoid cancer in the first place. And then, of course, this is going to help with better sleep. This is something that many people struggle with. In my clinic, we talk about sleep a lot because I believe it is a key pillar to good health. And if you don't have good sleep, you're going to drag every day. You're going to have a level of fatigue that is leaving you unable to even perform in life, but also you're going to have a problem because your body is not recovering at night. And then over time, this can really run you down and cause a lot of problems. So in the end, red light therapy, I think is incredible. I love it. I use it personally, and I'd recommend it for you too. So if you love this video, go ahead and check out this video over here next.